emergency for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a
tornado warning for...
Wait, stop.
I started the alert. Shouldn't I be the one who reads the entire message?
But wasn't CRS already removed?
This is 2024 BMH replaced everyone here except me.
But aren't you the dumbest one here? You think you're better than everyone else.
Yeah, popular demand likes CRS better. The National Weather Service may have replaced us, but at least we can live on people's computers and have another purpose.
We are so much better than you knew, Paul. You just throw a fit because you can't be as popular than our voices.
You know, fuck you, CRS.
You're just some outdated technology. My voice is way more beautiful than yours.